Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to Lenovo E2 Pro with other users. To do this, first you will need to click on your robot inside the app, then click on the pen button in the top right corner of the screen. Here you can find Share Device. Click on it again and now you will have different options on how to share your device with your family members or other people. So we can just share with the account Lenovo Cleaner, and we can add different accounts. So we can enter the name for the account, also a region. Make sure that they have that app installed and also that they have an account created. We can switch the number of people that we want to share it with. In this case, it's set to 1, and then pick the option like a message. So we can send a message with the link to share for sharing this device, copy the link ourselves, or click on more to see all of the social media options available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.